So Bitcoin goes through this halving cycle every 4 years. What that means is every block that gets mined in the Bitcoin blockchain, the computer that successfully mines that block gets a reward, and that reward is paid out in Bitcoin. From the inception of Bitcoin in 2008, the block rewards were 50 Bitcoin per block. So every 10 minutes, there's a block on the blockchain, relatively every 10 minutes. And a computer was earning 50 Bitcoin for mining that block correctly. When we went to the first halving in 2012, that block reward got cut in half. So that was, instead of 50 Bitcoin, now it was only 25 Bitcoin being released into circulation. Then we had a second halving in 2016 that resulted in 12.5 Bitcoin. And then in 2020, we had 6.25 Bitcoin. And now we're having our next halving in 2024. And so essentially what that means is less Bitcoin is being released into supply every 10 minutes as these halving cycles occur. And the nice thing about the Bitcoin blockchain is that is codified and that will not change. So we know what the monetary policy is going to look like for Bitcoin for the next 1,000 years. And the cool thing about this decaying supply is that we get this kind of negative exponential curve where as we start to approach 21 million Bitcoin, we will never pass that because we keep having the supply, having the supply, having the supply. And that's why the monetary policy of Bitcoin is so interesting and also so important. It's not like we can print 11 trillion Bitcoin in response to COVID. It's not like we can arbitrarily increase the monetary supply of Bitcoin. We know this because it's codified